Thinking of buying or selling property in Cyprus? The market is evolving, and staying informed on the latest requirements is essential for a secure transaction. Today, we're walking through a checklist to help you navigate and ensure full compliance. Disclaimer: before we begin, please note that this video is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal, financial, or professional advice and should not be relied upon as a substitute for consultation with qualified professionals. Every transaction in the real estate sector typically begins with a review of the title deed. It is a standard procedure to examine ownership documentation to understand the property's history. Furthermore, a formal search through the relevant land registry can help identify recorded details such as mortgages or other legal notes. We also suggest confirming that the physical structure aligns with the registered architectural plans, as this is a key step in many professional due diligence processes. Identifying the parties involved is a key part of professional due diligence. Whether dealing with an individual or a corporation, rigorous Know Your Customer, or KYC, checks are a standard legal requirement. If the seller is a corporate entity, it is important to investigate their tax clearance status and any potential liabilities. Transparency at this stage ensures a smooth process for everyone involved. The tax status of both parties is often the most complex part of the sale. Both the buyer and seller must obtain a valid tax clearance certificate from the Inland Revenue before a transfer can be finalized. For buyers, it is important to determine if the property is subject to VAT, typical for new builds, or transfer fees for resales. For sellers, capital gains tax generally applies to the profit, though various lifetime exemptions may be available to reduce this liability. Finalizing a property deal in Cyprus requires attention to detail, from contract review to final tax clearance. Because every case is unique and because regulations are subject to change, we always recommend consulting with a qualified legal or tax professional to address your specific circumstances. Thank you for watching this informative guide to Cyprus real estate.